Afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle of Four Stars Sudoku in today's newspaper on Wednesday, September the 25th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku, so two puzzles are left, the binary and the 4 stars Sudoku. By the way, in this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles, 4 of them I will solve in the evening. Not now. Now I will solve these two puzzles. News of today. Well, it's today war day number 945. 945 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. That's the news, and this will be number 9327. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. A truly 4 stars puzzle. 4 stars puzzle. I need 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here only one. We have here 2 2s. We have here 3 3s, 3 4s. 1 2 5s, 3 6s, 2 7s, 3 8s, and 5 9s. Let me start with the 9s. 9 in this column, 9 in the last column. So in the column between, only 2 places level 9 should be here. Or there we have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places level 9 should be here. Or there we have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column. So the column between, the second column, the only 2 places level 9 should be here. Or there we have a 9 in this row, middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left on the 9 should be here. Or there we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can't see digit number 1, number 9. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here. Or there we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Need a 6 there. Okay, need an 8 there. Well. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row, so the row between, the only 2 places level 8 should be here. Or there we have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. Need a 3 here. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place level 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next, so last column, the only place level 4 should be there. 4 4 6 8 4 4 4 4 4 4 4. Yeah. Need a 2 here or there. Need a 3. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. Come on. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. 6, need a 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 2 5 6 2 5 6 2 5 6 2 5 6. And look, we have 5 and the 6 in this big square. No 5 and the 6 in this box. 5 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in the third column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in this row for number 2. 2 2 2 2. 1, need a 3 here, need a 4 here. 3 4 1 7. Need a 7 here. Come on. Well. Come on, 5. 5 here. Need a 3 here. 5, 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Need a 7. 1, 7. 8, 9. 1, 7 here. 1, 1, 1. 9. 5, 5. Need a 5 here or there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 in these two boxes. We have 5 in the middle column, no 5 in that box. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those two boxes in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place level of 5 should be there. 5, 5. Oh, 5 in this column. Third column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, the only two places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Need a 5 here. Yeah. Come on. 8. Need a 8 here. Need a 3 here. 3, 8, 5, 9. No. Need a 6 there. 6 there. Need a 6 here. 3. Need a 3 here. In this column, we need a 3. Here, give me 3. We have 3 in this one. No 3 there. So the 3 could be here. Could be there. 3 in one of those two boxes. In this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next. The only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, or there. We have 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 could be here. Could be there. 3 in this column. 3 in the second column. So the third column. The only 2 places left for the 3 could be here. Could be there. 4, 9, 5, 2. Well, in this row, we need a 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 in this row could be here, could be there. We have a 2 in this column, so this can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, no only 2 places left. 2 could be here, could be there. 1, 7, 8, 6. 1, 7, 8, 6. 1, 7. We have a pair here. These 4 missing numbers in this row are the numbers. 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7 is missing. And 8 is missing. 1, 6, 7, 8. 1, 6, 7, 8. 1, 6, 7, 8. 1, 6, 7, 8. 1, 6, 7, 8. And look, we have 6 and 8 here in this column. So here should be the 1 and the 7. Here also the 8 and the 6 here in this column. So the 1 and the 7 are left. These 2 boxes should be the 8 and the 6 are left. Okay. 9. I need a 3 here. I need a 5 here. 1, 7 and the 3. Come on. 2. In this big square, we need a 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in these 2 boxes. The 2 could be here, could be there. So we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 2 in the column next, and the last column. And the only 2 places left, the 2 could be here, could be there. I need a 6 here. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 in these 2 boxes. The 6 could be here, could be there. I need a 3 here, and I need a 5 here. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. No 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for 5. Could be here, could be there. Well, it's not helping me here. 8, 6, 3, 1 of 3, 2, 4, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. Come on. It's a hard one. No 1, 1, 2. 1, 7. One of the missing number in this big square is number 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 in these two boxes. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 in those two boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. One of the missing number in this big square is number 6. We have a 6 in the first row, no 6 in these two boxes. We have a 6 in the third column, no 6 in those two boxes. One box left for the 6 in this big square, should be there. Mark those two boxes early with 6. We have a 6 in the second column, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. I need a 6 there, I need a 6 there. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and the 9. No, 1, 2, and the 7. 1, 2, and 7. 3 missing numbers in this first column. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 7. And look, we have 2 and a 7 in this row. No 2 and a 7 in this box. 2 and a 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 7 goes there. So 1 digit left in the first column for number 1. Alright, 7. In this big square, we need a 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in this box. So the 7 could be here, here, or there. We see another 7 in this row, no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, could be there. So we have a 7 in one of those two boxes in the last column, 7 in the column next. So that column, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 could be here, could be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the second column, no 7 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. So the 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 7. Could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for the numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have a 4 in the first column, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the third row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row, so in the third row. Only 2 places left for the 8. Goes together with the 5 as a pair. 8 and 5, 8 and 5. We have 8 in the last column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. And here I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes early with the 2. We have a 2 in the second row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in the third row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 8 and the 6, we have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes early with 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. 1 box left now in the second column for the number. The 1, the 2 is missing here. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 3 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here, also 2 numbers left, the 7, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, 4 and a 7. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 7 goes there, and here I've eliminated there the 7, so the 7 goes there, and here I've eliminated there the 3, so the 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 4 goes there. 1 box left now in the last row for number 1. The 2 is missing here. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 5 goes, and there. 1 box left now in this column for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing here. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. So 2 numbers left. Oh, 1 and the 7. We have a 7 now, so this box should be a 1, and that box should be a 7. And 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing here. 8 and 3, we have 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left on 3 should be there. And the final number in this big square for number 1. Finish in 60 minutes. Wow. He solved again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this 2 stars. I'm not faster than 15 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1 star. But we solved again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the third regular puzzle, the binary puzzle. Until then, bye bye for now.